Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Ever wondered if your favorite cryptocurrency exchange, Kraken, plays nice with Apple Pay? Well, today, we're diving deep into that question. So, grab your favorite snack, sit back, and let's explore the world of cryptocurrency and mobile payments together. Scene, a quick montage of people using their phones to make payments. Narrator, now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why this even matters. Apple Pay has revolutionized the way we make payments. It's fast, secure, and incredibly convenient. So, it's natural to wonder if it's compatible with the world of cryptocurrencies. Scene, a close-up of an iPhone displaying the Apple Pay logo. Narrator, Kraken, on the other hand, is a well-established cryptocurrency exchange known for its security and reliability. It offers a wide range of trading pairs and features, making it a popular choice for both beginners and seasoned traders. Scene, a screen recording of the Kraken website. Narrator, so, does Kraken accept Apple Pay? Unfortunately, as of current date, the answer is no. Kraken hasn't integrated Apple Pay as a payment method. This might be due to several reasons, such as technical limitations or regulatory hurdles. Scene, a visual representation of a roadblock. Narrator, but don't lose hope. Just because Kraken doesn't support Apple Pay directly doesn't mean you can't use it to buy cryptocurrencies. There are a few workarounds you can explore. Scene, a whiteboard with bullet points. Narrator, one option is to use a third-party service that allows you to convert your fiat currency into cryptocurrency using Apple Pay. These services typically charge a fee, but they can be convenient if you prefer to use Apple Pay for your initial purchase. Scene, a quick demo of a third-party service. Narrator, another approach is to buy cryptocurrency from a different exchange that supports Apple Pay and then transfer it to Kraken. This might involve additional steps, but it can be a viable option depending on your preferences. Scene, a screen recording of transferring cryptocurrency between exchanges. Narrator, while Kraken may not currently support Apple Pay, it's always worth keeping an eye on their announcements and updates. They might introduce this feature in the future, especially as the demand for cryptocurrency payments continues to grow. Scene, a futuristic cityscape with cryptocurrency symbols. Narrator, in the meantime, if you're looking for a cryptocurrency exchange that does support Apple Pay, there are several options available. Some popular choices include list of exchanges that support Apple Pay. Scene, a quick montage of these exchanges. Narrator, remember, when choosing a cryptocurrency exchange, it's important to consider factors such as security, fees, and the range of cryptocurrencies offered. Scene, a security lock symbol. Narrator, now, let's talk about security. Apple Pay is known for its robust security features, but it's always a good practice to take additional precautions when dealing with cryptocurrencies. This includes using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and being cautious of phishing scams. Scene, a person being cautious of a suspicious email. Narrator, so, there you have it. While Kraken doesn't currently accept Apple Pay, there are workarounds available, and the situation might change in the future. If you're looking to buy cryptocurrency using Apple Pay, be sure to explore your options and choose a reputable exchange. Scene, a final shot of the Kraken logo. Narrator, with that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech-related content. Until next time.